hope you have learned few things. We also want, the HR says, uh, you need to put the gender as well, the gender of the employee. Now, irrespective of the name, we can look forward the male, the female, and something many of them doesn't want to disclose, but still, because even President Donald Trump has mentioned that we need the genders to be specified in male and female category only. Looking forward to that, how can we provide, although it is just by the sake of writing few characters, but still it makes a lot of effort from your side. So I believe you can create the same thing, rand between, but rand between is not going to work alone. I hope you understand. We need to choose something, right? And rand between is not going to work out with characters. So what is going to work out with characters? I just reveal to you there is a function called choose, because you have to choose, the choice is there. So how you are going to choose from rand between, because there are only two genders now, so let us look forward 1 comma 2, the top is 2, but now I have to choose from values. So value could be male and value could be female. So let us look forward and see what will happen. I press enter, I will go there and press F9. I am giving you a shortcut, press F9 for the random generation, and just see, many a times you will find male, male, female, male, female, male, female. Now the point is you just have to drag it down. Okay, drag it down and see, it has been taken care of. Control C. Now I'm going to fix it over here, and oh, I'm sorry, wrong, my bad. So what I'm going to do, again I have to copy it, Control C. Now what I have done by selecting, I have done Control Shift down arrow key. Now Control Shift down arrow key will help you in selecting each and everything, and I have just pasted it here. So by default the formula is gone. The formula is gone. So if I paste it here, it won't come. Control Z, let me see, will the formula come? Yes, formula is there. So Control Z is for undo, Control Y is for redo, Control C is to copy, and if we want it to be paste special, then you have to go and see, there is Control VV. The point is you have to put it like that, and here this is the value from formula, here it is the value which is static. I believe you are actually creating something which is easily used as a simulation. Guys, looking forward to see you in my next part. Thank you so much.